Okay, for this video I wanted to cover the IRS Letter 6419 that's being sent out this month. So what is this letter and why you really need to hold on to it to make sure that you can accurately complete your tax return for 2021. So the IRS is sending these out to everybody that they think got a advanced child tax credit payment, right? So you remember the American Rescue Plan was signed earlier in the year, and what this did was it not only increased the amount of child tax credit to $3,600 per child under 6 and $3,000 for kids aged 6 to 17, but it provided for this advanced credit feature, right? So the advanced feature means that beginning around July, parents would be getting an advance of the credit. So $300 per month for kids under 6 and then $250 for kids aged 6 to 17. Now the logic behind this was, well, let's get money into the parents' bank accounts now rather than have them wait until the end of the year, let's say February or March 2022, to file your tax returns and get that whole child tax credit. So the key point here is that the advance payments did not increase your overall credit amount, right? So the credit is capped out at these totals, $3,600 and $3,000 per child, depending on the age, but you just got some of it advanced throughout the year rather than having wait till the end of the year to get it all. So the 6419 is designed to reconcile these numbers when you complete your 1040. Okay, so the amount that's reported on the 6419 has to be reported on the 8812. And whatever amount you didn't receive as an advance credit, you'll get the difference back when you complete your 1040. So if we look at an example here, we have John. He's a single U.S. taxpayer, so he is a U.S. resident. He has one son who's 13 who lives with him. The child tax credit John's going to get is $3,000 during 2021. He starts to receive these advance payments of $250 a month, and he receives 5 of them. Okay, so the 6th payment never came through, let's say. So the total he received was $1,250, 5 payments times $250. So he gets this letter in the mail in January. It shows that he got $1,250 in advance payments. So it matches the amount of payments he actually received, which is good. That's what you want. You want the two numbers to line up. So on the Form 8812, John calculates the gross amount of credit he's going to get, which is $3,000, and then he reports the amount of the advance payment on the 8812. The net credit he's going to get is $1,750. So if we look at the form itself, in this example, John completes Part 1A up here for the child tax credit computation, right? So he's got one qualifying child. Based on the age, he's going to get $3,000, right? Not $3,600. And then so if he scrolls down here to Part 1B, you can see here that the amount of credit he's going to get is not going to be limited based on his income, so he gets $3,000. And then line 14F is where he enters the amount of the advance payment. So we can see here that he's got an advance payment of $1,250. So you just do some simple math here. The balance he's owed is $1,750. And so that $1,750 ultimately flows through up to page 2 of his Form 1040. And it's going to be reported on line 28 as the refundable child tax credit or additional child tax credit attached Schedule 8812, right? So there's that $1,750 number, which increases the total payments in his refund. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below, and I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. Thank you.